So week 2, video 6, and we're starting at slide 45. We're looking at our strategic plan and completing a strategic plan. What steps do you do? What tasks do you do? So we're on step 2, which is figure out where the business wants to be in 3 to 5 years, whatever the length is of your strategic plan. Okay, so you're going to engage with your community, your stakeholders, your customers, and find out what they want so that you're making sure you're selling the right product. Okay, so we do this even at the college with the computer programming and analysis program. Every 3 to 5 years, I mean, we look at it constantly every spring, but every 3 to 5 years, the Ministry of Education tells us we have to go over and thoroughly analyze what do the employers want, what does the market say computer programming analysis students should be able to do. Are we doing it? We have to look at our course outlines. So it's not just libraries, everybody goes through this process and we have to gather information. So you might have remembered we invited you in the fall to provide some input into our program. Okay, that was a little segue. So here at Thorough Public Library with Sheena, Emily, and the team, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be thinking about where they want to be, and they're going to go out and talk to their stakeholders. So you'll see posted in DC Connect, there's a document, and it's the Thunder Bay Public Library Strategic Plan. Surprise, surprise, a library one. And again, it's because it's a public agency that we're using library, in addition to it being my background. But I can get their strategic plan and share it with you, an authentic document, right? Can't do that so much with Google or Microsoft. So they're going to gather input from their stakeholders. And how are they going to do that? Oh, sorry. Got these slides in the wrong order. I'm suggesting on your strategic planning worksheet that you take a look at, I think it's pages 5 and 6, and look at how they might gather input, right? They don't want to just ask the people that already use the library. They don't want to just ask staff. They want to use people beyond that, okay? So it says right here, community consultation sessions. So in some place like a hospital in a community, or a college in a community, or a library in a community, you might want to ask the seniors group. You might want to ask the Rotary Club. You might want to ask the business association. What do they feel is needed, and what do they want from the library? So take a few minutes, take a look at that, and fill out that part of your planning worksheet.